Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Please come and join me make some dirty soda. Yan. Gawa po tayo ng dirty soda. Yan. I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar. Yan. And 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Well, you can add more. You can double the dosage of your instant coffee. Pwede nyo pong doblehin ang kape na ilalagay ninyo. Kailangan po yung pure na coffee. No added sugar. Yun pong kape lang. Just the pure instant coffee. No added sugar or anything in it or cream. And then, I'm gonna add brewed green tea. Yan, overnight po yan na binrew ko siya and then I put it in the refrigerator overnight for the green tea. 2 bags for 2 ounces. 2 bags for 2 cups, I should say. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yan, and mix it up and put it on your half cup of crushed ice. Yan, lagay niyo po siya sa yellow na nakalagay sa baso. And then I'm gonna add coconut cream. 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. You can adjust your cream. You can add more if you like. Yan. I use coconut in my dirty soda. Yan. And I'm gonna add some more ingredients, which is honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use sugar. Pwede po kayong gumamit ng asukal lang or gamitan nyo siya ng honey kung meron po kayong honey. Yan. You can add honey or sugar if you like. It's up to you to sweeten it up. Yan. And naman stick for flavoring. Yan. And then at the end, I'm gonna add the Greek yogurt. Yan. You can add more Greek yogurt if you like it creamier. Dagdagan niyo po ang Greek yogurt if you want it creamier, yung malapot. Yan. 1 big tablespoon. Greek yogurt. Yan. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Bye. Have a lovely day. Hope to see you soon. Hope you won't get tired watching my video. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.